سلام يا كرام قلوبنا والدار، سلام الحب لأهل الحب والتقدير. سألت قلوبكم عن حبها المدرار، وش اللي في إمارات المحبة غير؟ وش اللي في إمارات المحبة غير؟
صادق خلد وانقل صادق التعبير، لدار عيال زايد والقلوب الخير. نحب أرض الإمارات وأهاليها، وفيها نحس إن الدنيا لسه بخير. We love everyone who loves my UAE. فيها نحس إن الدنيا لسه بخير. فيها نحس إن الدنيا لسه بخير.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our program Emirates Investment. Today we have a guest. He's a big businessman and he's successful in his business. Mr. Munish.
Yes.
How are you, Mr. Munish?
Fine. What
How's
about you?
everything? Thank you. I'm
Yes.
fine. How's everything?
Everything is good.
First of all, I would like to thank you because you hosting us in your office, and it's with my pleasure to be here and to sit next to you.
Thank you very
Mr.
much.
Munish. And Mr. Munish, can you tell us about yourself for the beginning, for our viewers?
Actually, I came in Dubai in 2007, and after that time too much construction was going on in the Dubai, and that time I'm looking for a good opportunity to start a business in the construction line. Then I feel that most of the residential tower, commercial towers and the villas, everybody need the swimming pools and the landscaping. That is the beauty of the city and the villas and the buildings also. So that's why I choose this business, and I start this business in 2009. And after that, slowly I developed the business with the developers, client and the consultant, main contractor, and I start this business. Yeah.
So, Mr. Munish, if you give us a brief idea or a summary about the company in terms of the stages of developer, establishments, and services provided to people, as you give it.
Actually, when I start this company, that time I have only 3 persons, 1 engineer and 1 office secretary and myself. Then after that, I go to the market to search the new business, and the first business I got from Mr. Abdul Salam Al Rafi. Yeah, he trusts me and he gave me his farmhouse, big job, and we make the luxurious pool dam. Then after that, again he trusts me and he gave me another job for the Burj Salam Tower. And during this period, I increased my capacity of the laborers and staff also, and then slowly I moved to the market also. They trust me, and they trust me why? Because I always believe in the quality. I never compromise in the quality, and it is instruction very clearly to my laborers also, my engineers also, to everybody. You don't compromise in the quality. Once you make the proper quality, client also will be happy, and you will get the reputation in the market also. So then I start the business like that. Then after that I contacted Dubai municipality, then I contacted the Wasal also, then private developers, private villa owners, and then after that the journey will be start.
MashaAllah. So, Mr. Munish, as you know, each project has a challenge, okay, and obstacles. What may be encountered nationally? What are the obstacles that focused in your work? What's the obstacles?
See, always when I'm coming to this office, every day I have a challenge, because every day, in every moment, new technology is coming in the market. Once I start the company, then I buy the material from the local market. But there is a huge competition in the market also. There is a lots of companies there. There is a segment is there. There is a big player is also there. A small player is also there. So always I am thinking that how I can go with the different from the others. I want to give something different to my client and concern also with the top quality material. Then I start to find the product in the international market. I go there, I talk to them, lots of manufacturers, and they trust me and they give me the sole distributor for the UAE. If I can say proudly, currently I have a near about 6 company distributorship in my hand. So now all the equipments that we are buying, that is direct from Germany, from Spain, from China, from Italy, from Netherlands, and from USA also. So we are not buying anything from the local market, and always we are focused in the quality only. We never compromise in the quality, and because of that, most of the reputed jobs, the client is calling us directly to sign the agreement with us. We done the job for the Wasal also. We make the 5-star hotels, pools also. We done some good jobs for that. If you know that there is a one hotel name is G Bora Hotel.
Yeah.
That is the world tallest hotel tower building. It is named in the Guinness World Book Record also. We make the pool there on 14th floor. That is 28 by 30 meter pool. We done the pool for the Marina 101 tower also. Up to the 96th floor also we done the pool. So this is some our achievement is there. Parallelly we start the landscaping business also. We are doing the good landscaping work also. We have a good landscaping team also. In the swimming pool also we have the engineers, designers, draftsmen, everything we have. And recently we started the trading business also. The trading means we are supplying project basis the equipments and others materials. The products what we are buying from the international market, that is not available in anywhere in the UAE market. And if you can compare the price also, that is cheaper than the local market.
Yep.
In market there is a big player is also there. If you can compare the product, for example, if you can compare one product like lights. If you can compare the lights with the local market, our light is better than them, but the quality and the price also is very less. So this is the things that we are trying to give to our customers also and this country also.
Yes. So, Mr. Munish, where is the maintenance sector headed, and what's the future for the maintenance?
See, always when you are making any swimming pool, any landscaping or any type of construction, is always maintenance is there. Maybe after 1 year or after 2 years or after some couple of years. But if you are giving a good quality work, then the maintenance is very less. But if you are compromising the quality, then you will to give the expenses too much like this.
Yeah.
So we have the maintenance team also. They are taking care about all the projects, and what after the sales and service they are doing all the things.
So, Mr. Munish, as you know, there is competition between companies and various fields. How did you maintain your destination in light of that?
See, first of all, I agreed with your questions that there is a big issue in the maintenance, even also in the quality also with your competitor. Okay, that's why we are trying to give the best product to our client to make a swimming pool. Because of that, we start buying the material from the international market, that from the manufacturers, and that material is not available in the UAE market. So there is no issue in the quality and we never compromise in the quality also. Even also our competitor will not get the same material in the market because we are the sole distributor for that company. And always we are trying to get the good and attractive materials to bring in the UAE market. Now also we are planning to take some material from the USA, and that is, if I can go with the swimming pool industry, that is a lifelong item for the swimming pool. Always there is some issue in the swimming pool industry, the people are facing the leakage. Once this product we will launch, then I think and I hope is that 95% leakage problem will be solved. This is our target.
Okay, Mr. Munish. Is there cooperation between you and the government or private institution to develop or establishment bridges of the cooperation between you? With you?
No. There is no competition between the government and our company. But we are doing the job for the government also, and they are supporting us. If any plus or minus something is there, they always they are cooperative, and we are getting the full support from the government lobby. There is no issue with the government.
Okay, Mr. Munish. What is your future impression? What do you want to do after 5 years? When you want to be after 5 years, 10 years? You want to be the more successful company, you want to make big company. What's your vision for tomorrow?
See, our target is not to go like the big company or the small company. Our target is to give the quality product to the client. Once you give the quality product to the client, so there is no issue for the rank 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. This is our target.
Mr. Munish, I need advice for the younger, for the people they want to start from the beginning. They want to make their own business. What kind of advice you want to give us?
See, most of the generation in this time, they want to earn money very quickly. They are thinking that if we just finish our study and within 1 year or 2 years, we'll go with the millions of dirhams. But it is not possible. If you want to go with the long terms, you have to focus first your honesty, then your quality, and then your commitment. Once these three things you will give to your client and customers, very short you will go on the top level of the industry. But the hard working is must required to achieve any target.
Okay, Mr. Munish, I want to ask you what kind of advice you want to give for the other people, how they will start their life from the beginning, from the zero, step by step, and what message you will give for the Sheikh of Emirates UAE?
See, first of all, I will say thank you very much I will thanks to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed also. We trust them. Because of that we are here. Because we know here we are safe. There is no issue in the business also, and our life is also we are enjoying luxurious life. And I request to all the newcomers that if they want to start their career or any business or anything, they come and they start in the UAE. They will enjoy their life because the working style, safety reasons, technology, you cannot see anywhere in other country. So we are very happy and we are very thankful to the government also.
Thank you so much, Mr. Munish.
Thank you very much.
And for your time. And thank you so much for me and for my team from my company to hosting us in your office again and again and again. It's with our pleasure. Thank you so much, and I wish for you the more success, more happiness in your life, inshallah. Thank you so much and your time, Mr. Munish.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming here. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, our viewers, thank you so much for listening and watching us, and wait for us for another guest we have for next week, inshallah, and happy times for you.
سلام يا كرام قلوبنا والدا، سلام الحب لأهل الحب والتقدير. سألت قلوبكم عن حبها المدرار، وش اللي في إمارات المحبة غير، وش اللي في إمارات المحبة غير.
صادق خلنا وانقل صادق التعبير، ندار عيال زايد والقلوب الخير. نحب أرض الإمارات وأهاليها، وفيها نحس إن الدنيا لسه بخير. We love everyone who loves my UAE. فيها نحس إن الدنيا لسه بخير.